game changer as well for Onyx. So yeah, let's see. Will Genfix Arrow they take the first point against Onyx Esport, or Onyx Esport as the top team here in our standing? They won't let it happen.
Yeah, look at this one, Momo-chan. I mean, like,
Yes.
Genfix and Wolf, their side lane could regen their HP. They have Beam, they have Alice. Okay, meanwhile, from Onyx Sports, they only have one. So Parsha is probably the main target for Genfix and Wolf if they want to make the push.
Yep.
Yeah, because if they could just make Parsha recall one time, the level will be have a gap.
A gap
there.
here. Yeah, difference is there. But Keyboy will just stay there to protect or and cover the purple buff for Suns. Meanwhile, Genfix Arrow they still have a difficulty, I can say, to try to just want to invade into the Suns jungle. Meanwhile, Boots still staying at the top lane as well with Rinasmi. And I think it's gonna be, a war of
Gain
life.
life?
Yeah, again, yeah, life still here.
Lifesteal party, yes!
Yep. Because I don't know, it will depends on how they execute, okay, and it depends on how the team fight set up here between these two teams.
Yeah.
And look at that, Suns with Keyboy, and we haven't seen Genfix Arrow they play a bit aggressive, try to maybe disturb Suns. He's farming, but Onyx Esport and Genfix Arrow they look passive in the early stages here.
Yeah, it's really passive for both of his team because they have Roger, they have this Yushin, right? So probably they are gonna focus more into getting more gold into Suns and also into Bottle. But let's see. The Monster Shocker is just opening the Vision Alpha. Should probably be careful because he already know where is the position for Genfix Arrow Wolf.
Yes, but look at that. Another ejector comes and Fredo will be the first blood for Onyx Esports. I mean, yeah, it's pretty hard when you try to beat Jawhead right now because the ejector can just shut you down, and Battle will be the next target for Onyx Esports. Rinasmi. Boots is trying to chase him, but meanwhile Clay, look at that with the circling eagle towards Keyboy, and Rinasmi will fall down as well. Another Boots they coming with the look at that. Really a good force wing they coming from Alpha.
Yes, just sustaining at the lane as well. Suns right now. I mean, like, this is the most crucial part when we are using the healer, okay? So it will make your jungler is not making the recall into your base. So just stay at the lane, just making more farm, more XP, more gold.
Yeah, and also we can also see the puppet string from Angela is really useful when we are going to catch the enemy.
Yeah.
It just could be stun and we don't terminate with our teammate.
Good. Alright, 1v1 at the bottom lane here, CW against Watt. Watt is under pressure, should make the recall, but at the top lane we are seeing Boots. Boots is a very good player whenever he's playing like the sustained hero.
But look at the Fredo will be shut down by Onyx Esport, and Genfix Arrow still can able to shut down Keyboy as well. But Suns having a good positioning there with Rian, the Hurt God, just try to cover Suns. And it's gonna be 3 points for Suns in the early stages. I mean, it's really a good KDA for the jungler of Onyx Esport, and Genfix Arrow they have to be careful, especially this battle.
Yeah.
Already shut it down once.
Yeah, I'm saying like the winning condition right now is gravitate more towards Onyx Esports. I mean, like, they are already rolling with his Yisunishin, already got the 3 points kill at
But
the early
Keyboys,
stages.
the ejectors kind of missed. But Bottle, they still want to try to carry on, but no, yeah. I think no one wants to try to continue the team fight just now. Everyone just want to reset, especially Onyx Esport. They have to be careful with these two side lane, like Omawa said earlier.
Oh my god.
They have a huge lifesteal here with this ban and also Rinasmi, especially into the late game. So yeah, Onyx Esport, they have to prepare for it.
Look at Suns. His farming with Yisunishin is on a different level. It's really fast, like seeing him doing like that.
Genfix Arrow, I think they want to play a bit more objective since they cannot have a team fight with Onyx Esport. They kind of lose all of the skirmish, all of the team fights, so they don't have a chance to win it. So they don't have any option as well. So they want to make, or maybe they want to give another strategy here for our first match. So they just want to play more objective, getting a lot of turret as soon as possible, Talia.
Yeah, sure, because we can already see that Yusunshi with Angela, it's already had the huge KDA, and it takes time for Bottle to just purchase the item. Look at this item that Roger haven't had one item for team fight.
Yeah, but oh my, there's gonna be
Keyboy.
circle angle. They're coming from Clay, and Keyboy will be shouted down because there's no follow up. They're coming from Onyx Esport. Even though CW with the Feather Ice Strike just now tried to save him, but I think it's pretty hard for Onyx Esport. Genfix Arrow now they are grouping each other. Just want to make sure that they can do a lot of zoning or maybe do a lot of sandwich as well.
Yep, but look at that 1v1. Drian going to the Clay,
Sans,
but
still one
Sans-
more. Look at that.
Yep.
Oh, what comes with the flicker? And also look at that. It's
Look,
gonna
what?
be oh, Sans will be shouted down, and Keyboy they don't have a chance to counter it because they don't have enough output damage here from Onyx Esports.
Yes, Ferris has already popped up just to clear the minion, but we can also see the Alpha is just cutting out the lane in the top turret. Yes.
Good. He
Nope.
don't have a chance. He just want to run with that Spear of Alpha. I don't know. I think Genfix Arrow, like we talked about this before. We discussed about this team. They always have a chance. They always try
Yeah.
to find a way.
You can't
How to turn back the table.
underestimate this Wolf
Yeah.
here, right? I mean, they are really strong. I mean, like they are changing their playstyle. They are moving into the pack right
Oh,
now.
another ejector and
Clay.
also Unstoppable Frost coming from Keyboy. Clay will be shut down in the hands of CW with that hurt guard coming from Angela. CW looks so sustained, but look at the Fredo. Where are you going? It's gonna be another lose if Genfix Arrow they lose another member as well.
Yes, it's a good backup from the Angela, but
Ejector.
look at that, the Ejector's going to
Stun.
what?
Yes, Renasmi comes as well with the float boat, but I
Puppet
don't think it's
string.
gonna be enough puppet string from the Drian. Gonna make this Fredo won't run away easily. Oh my god,
The
Keyboy
rest
still
right.
don't want more and battle. Oh my god, look at the wolf transformation. Even cannot help him.
Yes, sure. 1 versus 4. What did you expect? I mean, even Bottle haven't had any item yet, so it could be more sustained. Also, he haven't had life steal.
Yes, more point kill for Suns means Onyx Esports they still have a chance as well to finish the game as soon as possible, but they have to run away.
Circling
Clay
Eagle.
coming with the circling eagle towards Drian, but Drian and Boots still trying to covering each other. And it's not easy, especially Suns.
Wow.
He just want to take that objective at the bottom lane. One turret for Onyx Esports, Genfix Arrow. Now they are driven away by Onyx Esports. They're trying so hard actually, try to turn back the table, but you know, Onyx Esports they like to have a team fight here with Genfix Arrow because
Unstoppable
5
Force.
versus 5. Oh my god, it's gonna be advantage for Keyboy if he can do the ejector towards Fredo. But no,
But no, haven't got the Fredo since also Rafaela with the healing can give the movement speed. And look at that, the Alice in the bottom lane. I mean, he's also cutting the minion, trying to push, gain the objective.
And this is our head-to-head snack video. Look at that Sans as the jungler. When he plays Sun Jin, 100% his confidence is just there. Yeah, I mean he's comfortable hero.
Yeah, his
This
KDA
season-
at the second place as well, right?
Yeah, that's why I said that what makes this Sun Jin look so perfect. But look at that, it's gonna be another circling eagle actually coming from Clay. But Clay will be shut down in the first place. There
Here
will
comes
be
what?
Sans will be stunned as well. And Genflix, they still one more. Look at the flowing blood and also blood. Oh, they're coming from Rinasmi. Still one more with the flowing blood. Oh, Rinasmi, he tried to chase CW.
Oh, he
and
got
it's
it.
gonna be another kill for CW. Meanwhile, Bane tries so hard to cover his
Wow.
teammate, and it's gonna be first slot for Genfix Arrow. I think it's hard for Onyx Esports if they won't try to contest this.
Yes, and look, the Renesmee still managed to survive after the really low HP, and Boots over there just trying to open the vision, but no, the Lord has been secured by Genflix for the first time.
And what is really crazy with this Bane here, whenever he's appear,
Yeah.
yes, his opponent is just disappear. Yeah.
Yeah, he's present, right? I mean, even though Onyx Esports they look so scary with this Jawhead from Keyboy, I can feel that some of the moment Genfix Arrow maybe feel kind of pressure because that ejector and unstoppable afterwards that from Keyboy is not
Oh,
stopping.
no.
And look at that, Fredo will be shut down as well. Stuns still one more. They try to turn back the table. They are trying to have a team fight here before they shut down Lord in the bottom lane.
Yeah.
Yes, the Yusunshin is trying to get Terminate to Renasmi, but haven't succeeded yet because the Lord is going to the bottom lane. So they need to just hold the Lord before it's going to the inhibitor.
Oh, another Fader Ice Strike that comes from CW and good flame shot as well from CW just to make sure that play
Yes.
will be shut down.
Perfectly splendid flame shot. I mean, it hits right on the spot and going pick off one person from Genflix Aerowolf. And right now, Keyboy waiting in the bus trying to just eject or whoever just cross him.
Yeah, I mean we've seen a lot of team fight here between Onyx Esports and also Genflix Arrow, but the net worth, the gap
Yes.
is not huge from these two teams. So
Ooh.
both of them are still kinda balanced from the item, but it will depend on the setup. Especially Onyx Esports, they have this alpha, right? With the spirit of alpha, it could change everything.
Yeah, I mean like the Bane is a really annoying, right? The troublemaker from Genflix Herald is this Bane. What is
Yeah.
it? His Bane? I mean like his Deadly Cats is really making a huge damage.
His RAM as
His
well.
RAM as well,
that
yeah.
can give a good movement speed as well for himself. So yeah, Genflix Arrow, they look pretty sustained for the team fight because they quite tanky as well, right?
Yeah, and also they want
With
to
the
just
lifesteal.
grouping like this one. They want to group like a four group or maybe 5-man show.
Yeah, and
They can't just split out because they could just be punished.
that's true. Yeah, and another Holy Crystal for what here? Maybe they have really to be careful because there will be a huge magic damage actually coming from Genflix Arrow, but CW looks so strong with the Feeder Ice Strike, a huge area of effect that comes from Onyx Esports. Genflix Arrow, they all try to open hit, but Clay will be shut down, and Sans need to find a good positioning as well before he wants to continue. But Renasmi coming from the side and trying to run away, but the bloat out here try to stop. But Keyboy, it's gonna be another target they coming from Onyx Esports, but meanwhile, Battle will be chased by Boots.
Oh my god!
CW will be sharing it as well. Renasmi tries so hard to take down Sans, but Genflix Arrow, they don't want to take a risk. They don't want to maybe make a minor mistake that can turn back the table as well. Onyx Esports, they are losing 3 members just now. So Genflix Arrow, they have a chance
Oh
to have
my
a Lord in 40 seconds.
Yo, look at that, the Roger, the attack speed from just gaining the objective in the middle turret is so fast. And right now, the Genflix, I think they really commit to just rip all the turret.
Look at that, they just want to play objective. They want to finish the game as soon as possible. They don't want to drag this game into super duper late game. They don't want to give a chance for Onyx Esports to turn back the table because they are in the winning condition right now, okay? Especially Lord will come in 50 seconds. If they lose the skirmish, they will maybe lose the
danger.
potential, the possibility as well to win this game against Onyx Esports. So yeah, Onyx Esports, they have to be careful, especially maybe sometimes we see Sun with a good positioning, right? But the problem is without CW, I think it's pretty hard for Suns to just want to accomplish his goal.
Yeah.
Try to shut down Genflix Airwolf.
And so like Renasmi is just chasing the CW. He know that there is the Feather Rider Strike. So boom, he's go for the all-in, going into the back laner, pricing the Winter Truncheon. And also with the blood out there.
But Keyboy, he knew that actually he wants to try to contest the Lord right now. Keyboy by himself got stunned, and look at that, the Feather Arsec is already being used by CW Clay with the Circling Eagle.
Who got it?
Reset by CW in the first play, and the Lord is stolen by Onyx Esports.
But they can go back.
Genflix Aerowolf,
They
oh
will
my
get
god, they really want to force the team fight with Onyx Esports right now, and Boots will be shut down. They want to try to wipe out all of the members from Onyx Esports, but Keyboy realized that he cannot do anything by himself.
Yeah.
They just want to let that Lord
Do
stay.
they want to end this one?
I
Genflix?
think they can try to end the game, Omwawa.
Just ignore the Lord because they can
Just
also
ignore
boost.
Keyboy as well, because look at that unstoppable force, and
Keyboy?
also ejector. Keyboy, one
my
master, and also look at this, gonna be a wipeout for Genflix Arrow, and they took game number 1.